So OES Modular Solutions is individual modular containers that we're putting together into an office configuration. It is individual modules that we are able to put together to make into a job site office that can be infinitely expanded upon.
So we can take it from a single container that's about 200 square feet all the way up to something like this, which is over 200 containers connected together, and kind of infinitely make it have different extrusions or add on to it later on if the job grows. You can also stack them. At the short ends of the containers, there's kind of 4 window options. You can have windows on top, blank off panels. Here is a P-tack, so AC for the offices to make sure that they have a good interior environment. As you can see here, we've got windows up top that adds a lot of natural light into the offices, which I think is a unique characteristic of this solution. There's also exterior blinds that can be adjusted from the interior to kind of add shading during the day. So this is how the containers connect together. It's just really just a simple clamp and a bolt, one at the bottom and then one at the top. So this is definitely how you can see just how easy it is to add on, subtract containers from each other.
So with the need for security on this particular site, we also have these solar powered lights that help to light up the perimeter of the entire building. It's also for life safety, so if it's dark outside, you're able to come out the building and still be able to find your muster points. So this is one of the coolest features. We've got these canopies, nice outdoor area. We've got the picnic tables. They can do some grill parties out here, got a smoker out here.
I think the really cool part about these canopies is it adds a lot of shade and just makes it a much more enjoyable experience. Make sure, craft and office alike are able to enjoy their lunch, have a nice space to communicate and have a good time. On a site like this, where it's a huge project, it's not really around a ton of stuff. Our trade partners' offices, our design team's offices, the GC offices are not close by. We can kind of create and foster that environment of togetherness without having kind of all those same resources. I think one of the really awesome parts of this kind of modular solution is because it's so customizable, you can kind of bring the office to the job site.